Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you live in the United States, this video is extremely important for you. Today I want to talk about something that control your financial life in America. Even if you don't realize it yet, your credit score. Let me ask you a simple question. Do you know your credit score right now? If the answer is no, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will understand what a credit score is, why it matters, and how to improve it step by step. In the US, your credit score is basically your financial reputation. It tells banks and companies how trustworthy you are with money. Whenever you apply for a credit card, a car loan, a home loan, or even try to rent an apartment, your credit score is checked. A good credit score means lower interest rates and more approval chances. A bad credit score means higher interest, rejections, or no offers at all. Now let's keep this very simple. Credit score usually range from 300 to 850. If your score is above 700, that's considered good. Above 750 is excellent. Below 600 is risky. So how is your credit score calculated? First, payment history. This means do you pay your bills on time or not? Let payment hurt your score badly. Second, credit utilization. This means how much of your credit limit you are using. If your credit card limit is $1,000 and you use $900, that looks risky. Try to use less than 30% of your limit. Third, credit history length. The longer you have been using credit responsibly, the better. Fourth, credit mix. Having different type of credits like cards, loans or auto loans helps. And last, now credit inquiries. Applying for too many cards or loans at once can reduce your score. Now let me give you some very basic rules to improve your credit score. Always pay your credit card bill on time. Even on late payment can stay on your reports for year. Never max out your credit card. Lower usage means better score. Don't apply for too many credit cards quickly. Slow and steady is better, and check your credit report regularly. In the US, you can check it for free every year. One more important thing, building credit takes time. There is no overnight shortcut. But if you stay consistent, your score will improve month by month. If you are just starting, even one secure credit card used wisely can build strong credit. In upcoming video, I will explain how to build credit from zero, how to fix a bad credit score, and how credit card actually work in America. If this video helps you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for simple finance education made for every Americans. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.